If you are thinking about signing up for Kikoff, the first question most people ask is simple. Does Kikoff actually give you a credit card, or is it something else entirely? In this video, I am going to break it down clearly so you know exactly what you are getting before you apply. Let us start with the short answer. No, Kikoff does not give you a traditional credit card like Visa or MasterCard that you can swipe anywhere. That does not mean Kikoff is a scam or useless. It just works very differently from what most people expect when they hear the word credit card. Kikoff is a credit-building platform. Its main goal is to help people build or repair their credit history, especially if you have no credit or bad credit. Instead of giving you a physical card to spend money in stores, Kikoff gives you access to a line of credit that is designed to report positive payment activity to the major credit bureaus. Here is how it works in real life. When you sign up for Kikoff, you choose one of their plans. These plans usually come with a small monthly fee. In return, Kikoff gives you a credit line, often starting around a few $100s. This credit line is not cash, and you cannot withdraw it. You can only use it inside Kikoff's own store. Inside the Kikoff store, you will find digital products like ebooks, financial guides, and educational content. When you buy one of these items, Kikoff uses part of your credit line to cover the purchase. You then make monthly payments on that balance. Those monthly payments are the key part. Kikoff reports your payment activity to the credit bureaus. When you pay on time every month, it shows up as positive payment history on your credit report. Over time, this can help improve your credit score. So if you are asking whether Kikoff gives you a credit card you can use at Amazon, grocery stores, or gas stations, the answer is no. There is no physical card. There is no virtual card for online shopping either. It is strictly a credit-building tool. Now let us talk about why people still sign up for Kikoff. The biggest reason is accessibility. Kikoff does not do a hard credit check. That means applying will not hurt your credit score. This is very attractive if you are just starting out or trying to rebuild after financial mistakes. Another reason is simplicity. You do not have to worry about interest rates, late fees in the traditional sense, or overspending. The system is controlled. You spend a small amount, you pay it back monthly, and that payment history gets reported. However, it is important to be honest about the downsides. Since you cannot use Kikoff like a normal credit card, it will not help you learn how to manage everyday spending with credit. Also, the products in the Kikoff store are not things most people would buy if credit building were not involved. There is also the monthly fee to consider. Even though the fee is relatively low, you are still paying money specifically to build credit. Some people prefer secured credit cards or credit builder loans instead, depending on their situation. So is Kikoff legit? Yes, Kikoff is a legitimate credit building service. It does report to major credit bureaus, and many users do see improvements in their credit scores over time when they make consistent, on-time payments. Is Kikoff a credit card? No, it is not a real credit card in the traditional sense. It is more accurate to think of it as a credit builder account that uses a controlled line of credit. If you are deciding whether to apply for Kikoff, ask yourself this question. Are you looking for something to spend money with, or are you focused purely on building credit history? If your goal is building credit, and you want something easy, with no hard inquiry, Kikoff may be worth considering. If you want a card you can actually use for daily purchases, then Kikoff is not the right option. Before you sign up, always compare Kikoff with alternatives like secured credit cards, student credit cards, or credit builder loans from banks and credit unions. Each option has its own pros and cons. In the end, Kikoff does exactly what it promises, but only if you understand what it is and what it is not. It does not give you a traditional credit card. It gives you a structured way to build credit through reported payments. If this helped you understand Kikoff better before applying, make sure you do your research and choose the option that fits your financial goals best.